Women are shoveling sand into long tube-shaped bags. Do you know what they are doing? In parts of China affected by desertification, people use these sandbags to slow down the spread of sand. They fill long tube-shaped bags with sand and arrange them in rows across the land. These sandbags act as barriers, reducing wind erosion and preventing sand from shifting. Over time, this creates a more stable environment where vegetation, such as grass and trees, can take root and further reinforce the soil. This simple method is helping to improve land that was once covered by sand, making it usable again. Do you think this method could be used in other desert regions around the world?